What's up, you guys? What's up, YouTube? Thank you for all the subscribers and all of you guys that will consider subscribing. And hello, clients. Thanks for being a client. I'm going to call this a quick wig. A quick wig. So I'm using like a, I don't know what color you would call. I think it's called like a nude cap. And I could have used a black cap or a dark brown. I think I already had this cap at the house. And if you haven't subscribed, if you would please consider doing so. I'm trying to bring my subscriber list up. It's 2023. Thank you so much in advance for showing your support. Now here I'm just gluing my tracks down. I like using that glue that I'm using. It's like a 5-second glue or something like that they call it. So it's the most popular one that a lot of us hairstylists like using. So I'm just placing glue on the track and just blow drying it down so it can dry quicker. Now I'm pretty much gluing ear to ear. I'm gluing ear to ear. I usually start off in the back that you saw with shorter pieces. And now I'm going all the way across the head, ear to ear. I showed you that front view, showing the front, that I'm just going like ear to ear, pretty much. A little bit in front of the ear now. And with using this cap color, the nude cap, since it looks so light, I definitely wanted to put the pieces kind of close together, the tracks rather. So it's pretty redundant. That's how I have it. That's the reason why I have it sped up. Because it's pretty redundant. Where did I get the hair from? I just got some cheap hair. It's some inexpensive, affordable hair just to make this video. I wasn't making this for a client or anything like that. Was making this for the purpose of making this video. So the hair is very affordable. So you can see how I have it now. I turn the mannequin around facing me. That way I can see what I'm doing, and then I want to go in and pretty much almost ear to ear. And here's my Instagram. I hope you'll join me on Sugar Salon. Follow me at Sugar Salon on Instagram. I don't know what that was all about. I swore I was jamming, but you guys pray for me. Oh, Lord. So now you're getting a view. I'm almost finished with this quick wig. And to subscribe, you can just scan that QR code with your phone. You can just pause the video and scan with your phone like you're taking a picture of the QR code, and then it'll just pop up, and then you can just subscribe to my channel by scanning that QR code please, and thank you. And this is the finished look after the cut. And I'm going to style it for you. Hope you like it.